Hi, welcome to today's One Take Bike Tips. This is one of my favourites. So you're out on a bike ride and you get a little niggle, you need to tweak it, adjust your spokes up a little bit because you've got a little wobble in your rim, but you're miles and miles and miles away from a truant stand, or you don't want to take it to the shop. So here's what you do. You turn your bike upside down and then you cable tie a twig. I've used a pen. You cable tie a pen to your forks, and this is a true wheel, but this will be able to help you true it either at home without a stand or when you're out on a ride. And then if you want to check the other side to make sure you've got it in the centre, you can just take the wheel out, swap it and then put it back, and this will tell you whether you've got it in the centre or not, and you'll be able to adjust this up accordingly. It's a really easy way to make your own truant stand, and it's just cable tied, just two cable ties looped together and then held like this. So there's one bit just there and one bit just there, and it just loops round, and that will be enough. What you can do, if you get a non-permanent marker, this is a permanent marker, and take the lid off so the pen is actually touching the rim, that will draw a little line on where your rim is out of true, and then you just adjust the spokes accordingly. You can also do this on the stays as well, so if you've got problems with your rear wheel, you can do this with your stays, which is another good reason why you should always carry cable ties with you. I hope this has helped. If you've ever used this method or you're going to try it, let us know in the comments. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.